Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to walk you through how to reset your iPhone 12 back to factory settings. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the settings app right here. And you want to go up to the top section here where you see your name and your Apple ID account information. And the first thing you should do now, there's different reasons why people factory reset. You might be resetting because your phone is glitching, or you might be resetting because you need to give the phone back or sell it or do something like that. If you're trying to sell it or get rid of the phone, make sure you do disable Find My iPhone right here first. If you're just resetting because it's glitching, then you don't necessarily need to disable the Find My iPhone feature. So just important thing to note. Tap on Find My, and you're going to tap on Find My Phone, and turn this off. Now you will need to enter your Apple ID password to confirm it, and then you're going to tap Turn Off. Now we're going to go to Find My here, and then go back to here. Next, you will need to tap Sign Out, and this will sign you out of your iCloud and your Apple ID. So sign out. Sign out. And then once you're signed out of all your accounts, then you will go and do the actual reset. Very important step. If you don't sign out of these things and you're trying to get rid of the phone, it will not allow the next person to use the phone. So just important note there. Gonna swipe down to General, swipe up and go down to Reset. And tap the second option, Erase All Content and Settings. And then you're going to enter your passcode you use to unlock the phone if you have one on the phone. Now once you enter your passcode, you'll tap Erase iPhone. And then Erase iPhone again. And that's it. Now your phone will begin erasing all of the content that's on it. And give it about 5 minutes or so, depending on how much you have on the phone. If you have a lot on the phone, it'll take longer, but it should take at least about 5 minutes. And you'll know it's finished because it'll take you to the welcome screen and it'll ask you to select the language. Hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.